Hello and welcome back everybody. In this video I'm gonna show you how to create balls all over the screen and bouncing. Not one ball like the last video, more than one ball. So I'm gonna show you an example right now here. This is what we're gonna be doing. So before we start the video, I'd really like to thank everybody who left a like and subscribed. You all are the best. You made me reach 600 subscribers. So now let's see if we can reach 1,000 subscribers. I know it's hard, but we have to try. So let's get started. The codes that I used are here. Today I'm not gonna be typing them. I'm gonna be just explaining them. Why? Because they're too long. It will take like 1 hour to type it again. So now we're gonna start. As I told you in the last video, there were a lot of libraries in Python, and on my last video and this video we're gonna use the TK interface library, and we're gonna import random and time. What's import random and time? It's the same as import turtle. It adds to your program, it adds randomness and also time. So now what we did here is we made a variable called width. Okay, so what's this variable? Okay, this variable is 800. What does that mean? Like when you type in width or height, okay, it says like you typed in 800 or 600 because this is the data stored in it. Okay, so here what I did is I made, after the height variable and width, I made something called TK equal capital TK. What this is like, it says that the capital T is the same as non-capitalized T. So now canvas is equal to the same thing, capital T of the canvas. Now we're gonna start creating our canvas, which is our window. So we're gonna type in TK width equal width, and width is gonna be 800 because 800 is stored in the variable width, and also the same thing as the height. And here, this is the title. You can create any title for your program or for your window. Here it's BLE because I saved it with this name. Now canvas pack. Canvas pack means it's gonna tell the computer that from here we're gonna start drawing. What's class ball? Okay, class ball, it says like class ball is like while true. So now we're gonna do something called DEF in it. What this does is it defines self in it. Now self dot shape equal canvas underscore create a rectangle. What that means is this. What that means is that this rectangle is stored in shape, self shape. Now below it we're gonna say self dot y speed equal random dot range 1 5. What that means is that the x speed and the y speed, it's gonna be random. The computer is gonna choose a random x and y speed from between 1 and 5. Now we're gonna define the move of self. We're gonna move self. We're gonna say canvas.move self.shape, self.x speed, and self.y speed. Now pause. What is pause? It's the positions. And what is chords? Chords are the coordinates where the x and y are. Now self.shape is the coordinates of self.shape. Now this we made it on the last video. I explained it. You can go and see. Which is if the pause is 3, if the pause is more than 3 height, or the pause is 1. Like I explained it. Now we're gonna say new ball. What's new ball? This is where everything's gonna start. If you didn't do new ball, it's not gonna work. Nothing's gonna work. Because new ball is when it says create a new ball. An equal ball. We made 3 new balls. Now we're gonna say while true. It means do not stop. It's also like class ball. Okay, so now we said new ball dot move, new ball 2 dot move, new ball 3 dot move. What I did over here is I told all of my balls to move and never stop, unless you make a code as the same as the rock paper scissors game to stop it, or you close the window. So after moving everything and doing this, we're gonna update it. What that means is, it's gonna update the TK. So now let's try to run it and see what. We're gonna run it and see what's gonna happen. I did something wrong. I erased something over here. Just let me fix it. Okay. Now let's run it and see if everything's correct, please. Oh, TK is not defined. Okay, let me go fix that in the TK one. So I fixed my mistake. Everything's back working. So here it is. Everything's working. So that's the end of the video. I hope you guys like it, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And before I end this video, don't forget that I said let's try to reach or achieve 1000 subscribers. Bye, see you in the next video.